Makhumalo says she didn't enjoy Musamseleku's sweat. Musamseleku didn't enjoy Makhumalo's sweat. Musamseleku didn't contribute his much money on Makhumalo's life. Makhumalo, when she started staying in Musumbe, those houses are not yet building. There is Macele's house and other, or it's Musamseleku's house, I don't know. But Makhumalo came and helped Musamseleku. Musamseleku doesn't have any business because at that time he was employed with other companies. So Musamseleku have got a capital. He saw that Makhumalo is intelligent. Why you didn't ask yourself Musamseleku chose to stay with Makhumalo first than to stay with Mayeni? So there is a confusion on that. Musamseleku saw that Makhumalo is very intelligent. He can work with Makhumalo to open a business and they've got money to build houses for other wives. That's why Musamseleku pay a bride price for Mayeni's parents and told Mayeni to stay at her parents' house because he want to build a house for her. So Musamseleku took Makhumalo and he want to use that girl. He take advantage of her situation because they don't have money on her family. So Makhumalo took the opportunity. They worked together. They opened that restaurant. And Musamseleku and Makhumalo started building houses because Makhumalo understand that he want to have Istanbul polygamy. So they started building those houses together and other wives started coming, Mayeni and Mangwabi. So that's why Makhumalo says she didn't eat Musamseleku's sweat because Makhumalo at that time she have got her own salary when she is a manager at Musamseleku's restaurant. So there is a lot of things Makhumalo did to Musamseleku's life and his wife's. Guys, we started watching Utando Nestembo season 1 on 2017. Those people, they started staying together on 2009. When we started watching that show, they have got 7 years or 6 years they are staying together. They already built those houses, but they are not finished because when we started that program, those houses they have got don't have ceilings the way they painted like beautiful houses in Musumbe. So Makhumalo, when she said she didn't enjoy Musamseleku's money, we have to understand here sometimes because Makhumalo work hard. Guys, work hard to build that those houses in Musumbe. That's why Musamseleku is sometimes crying why Makhumalo lives in Musumbe because he knows when he saw those houses, all of them, it's because of Makhumalo. Macele didn't build. Look at Macele's house in Musumbe, that house, and you compare with other houses, you can see that there is different. Makhumalo was the one who changes Musamseleku's life. But when it comes to Musamseleku, didn't appreciate. That's why Makhumalo came now on season 9 and tell people the whole truth that she didn't enjoy his sweat like other wives. He is busy to do something for other wives, not for her. And Makhumalo now she is glad for not involving him because Makhumalo saw that he is very toxic. Anything can happen. Musamsele can say, I contribute 1, 2, 3. This is my house, like he is doing for Mangwabe. Musamseleku says he buy that house with his money, whether Mangwabe likes it to came or what. Musamseleku, he will came. But when it comes to Makhumalo, because now guys, I love the new Makhumalo because she is saying many things about things we did not know about him. Guys, Makhumalo worked hard and he took advantage. He saw that between Mayeni, she is weak when it comes to plan. If Musamseleku started to build or to do something with Mayeni, he knows that he is not going anywhere with his life or with his business. But when he have got Makhumalo and Macele, Macele can help him to build his Istanbul because Macele can understand. And Makhumalo at other side, Makhumalo can help him to have got a lot of money. Even to open those programs of Utando Nestembu, Izingane Zestembu, is because of the two of them. They plan on the side too. You've got extra money.